Ruckus Unleashed runs the Wi-Fi. Purple adds the guest layer on top, the captive portal your visitors see, the sign-in journey, and the first-party data you collect. Purple is a cloud overlay. Your Unleashed system keeps running the Wi-Fi. Purple runs the guest experience through standard mechanisms it already supports. Unleashed uses a hotspot service that points at a login page hosted by Purple. It checks each sign-in against Purple's Radius service, configured as an ALA authentication server. The accounting data powers your visitor analytics. That is the whole model. Ruckus moves the packets, Purple owns the sign-in and the data. First, configure Purple as a Radius authentication server in Unleashed, on ports 1812 for authentication and 1813 for accounting. Second, set up a hotspot service that points at the login page hosted by Purple, with the walled garden allow list so the page can load before sign-in. Third, attach the hotspot to your guest Wi-Fi network. A short command line step on the master AP ensures the device MAC address is passed correctly. The exact configuration lives in Purple's support guide. Start at purple.ae.